Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Hey, coming here with another product. This is from cherryamericas.com. You can check out their website. It's their Cherry MX Silent keyboard, their MX board, G80-3000. This thing's pretty interesting. It's definitely like a business class, ultra business class keyboard that's designed to stay very quiet. It's got noise optimized MX key switches with patented noise reduction using an integrated two-component stem, which clearly minimalizes noise and bottom out and top out. This thing's really kind of designed that if you're a business and you have these huge open office rooms, you don't want to hear people banging on their keys, driving your employees crazy. These are great keyboards to take and get. They've got silent switches with gold cross-point contact technology, over 50 million keystrokes per switch without compromising quality, long-lasting safe switching performance, and N key rollover with simultaneous operations of up to 14 keys without key ghosting effects happening for you. Definitely, it's a big, giant, heavy keyboard. It's $149 if you were to take and get this baby, which is pretty expensive. But like I said, it's kind of business class sort of designed for punishment of business class, and of course having the nice, quiet office, if you will. So let's hear the difference here. It compares to a cheap keyboard. Anyway, I guess you can take your pick. I really can't tell much of the difference. There does seem to be a bit of an edge taken off the sound, but if you're a large business with an open workroom, this might be great for you. So be sure to check it out. You can go see their website at cherryamericas.com. It's the MX Silent keyboard. It definitely does seem to be heavy duty and able to take punishment and last you for a very long time. You can use a PC or Mac. Anyway, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.